As global competition intensifies, digitization and intelligence take the lead. The future's competitive edge gains momentum. Within the company, a dynamic of collaboration thrives. Departments working closely together, pursuing digital transformation goals. JoySun Company has inaugurated a state-of-the-art research and development center, introducing cutting-edge technologies and equipment, continuously propelling product innovation to adapt to our evolving customer needs. The establishment of a CNAS National Laboratory is underway, further enhancing product quality and stability, ensuring unwavering product excellence. Automated equipment guarantees top-tier product quality, boosting productivity, providing a robust foundation for the company's sustainable growth. Swift responses through digital exception handling processes, stringent quality control and ongoing production process optimization. From welding to painting, every step of the production process undergoes rigorous scrutiny, securing exceptional quality at every stage. Like a mighty oak from a tiny acorn, empowered by the digital smart factory, JoySun is fully poised to confront the competitive challenges of the future.